the government's focus is very clear. I believe they have got this very precious 5 years. So they would like to use every bit to accomplish what they want to do, what they've been doing for the last 10 years. When I did research today, I found that not only the power companies, not only the infrastructure companies, but the companies which are providing equipments, heavy equipments for these industries are also really gearing up to move in a very, very fast way. I'll give you the specific stocks that I'm really finding very positive. I believe they will at least give from here 40 to 50% move. कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स भी हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि F&O सेगमेंट के हैं और दे आर रियली बिल्डिंग अप नाइसली. उनमें ओपन इंटरेस्ट अच्छा है, डिलीवरी परसेंट अच्छी है. मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि इसमें इतनी स्टीम है कि ये आपको 50% रिटर्न बहुत 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 जल्दी देगा. बट आई एम रियली पॉजिटिव एंड ऑप्टिमिस्टिक ऑन these sectors.
Stock trading involves inherent risks. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions and any resulting outcomes, including financial loss. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The information presented reflects expert views and should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell any security. References to specific stocks or mutual funds are for illustrative purposes only. Investing carries risk. Always consult a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions.
Looking at the current government, looking at the formation of the current government, and I think government will be stable and they will continue what they have done in the past. They will focus a lot on power, infrastructure, water, providing water to the every person. They're going to focus in all of them, and by looking at the technical setup, I'm very, very optimistic. In fact, when I did research today, I found that not only the power companies, not only the infrastructure companies, but the companies which are providing equipments, heavy equipments for these industries are also really gearing up to move in a very, very fast way. So according to me, this is just on the verge of giving you a very, very nice breakout. The power structure, infrastructure, and the power manufacturing equipments, all these are going to give beautiful breakout. And my upside, I'll give you the specific stocks that I'm really finding very positive. I believe they will at least give from here 40 to 50% move. In at least next 6 months to 1 year, you can keep that time frame in your radar. So I am really, really optimistic in all these sectors. In fact, I have been telling you, energy sector is going to just blast. As I told you, the government's focus is very clear. I believe they have got this very precious 5 years. So they would like to use every bit to accomplish what they want to do, what they've been doing for the last 10 years. So according to me, they will continue pumping in more and more money in this particular direction. Particularly in green energy sector, they will be investing more money into the power generation, power supply, green energy, renewable energy, and infrastructure building up. So I'm going to give you stocks they're standing on a very fine position. जो at this point of जो मेरा current favorite है वो है JSW Energy. आप JSW Energy को बिल्कुल ध्यान में रखिए, बिकॉज आज इसकी माई बाई विल इनिशिएट अराउंड 670 एंड आप इसमें 1000 तक के टारगेट्स बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं आने वाले 6 महीनों के अंदर. जो बिल्डअप्स हैं दैट आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. इनफैक्ट मैंने इस पर बाय दिया था अराउंड 350. वहाँ से पैसा ऑलमोस्ट डबल होने वाला है. बट मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि इसमें इतनी स्टीम है कि ये आपको 50% रिटर्न बहुत 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 जल्दी देगा. तो JSW एनर्जी इज़ माई टॉप स्टॉक एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. उसके बाद आप बात करते हैं कि कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स भी हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि F&O सेगमेंट के हैं और दे आर रियली बिल्डिंग अप नाइसली. उनमें ओपन इंटरेस्ट अच्छा है, डिलीवरी परसेंट अच्छी है, जैसे NTPC है, REC लिमिटेड है, PFC है, और दीज आर 3. एंड देन जिंदल स्टील एंड पावर, इसको भी आप ध्यान में रखिए. इनमें भी बहुत बहुत शानदार डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं. इसको भी आप रडार पे रख सकते हैं. दिस शुड ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू अ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल ब्रेकआउट. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि मैं अभी आपको पूरी लिस्ट दूंगी और मैं ये भी बताऊंगी कि वो कंपनीज क्या करती हैं. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि इट्स जस्ट नॉट द पावर सेक्टर, इट्स जस्ट नॉट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर, बट जो उनकी ancillaries, and like the ancillary, the companies which are going to support these power generation, the companies that are going to support the heavy equipment that will be provided to them are also gearing up to move very, very fast. So I'm going to share that also with you. So here is my list. In this list I have some other stocks as well, but what I really want to show you that the stocks, like for example JSW Energy, it gave a very fine breakout. See, have a look at Tree Turbine, right? According to me, this is getting up and they're maintaining the trend line. The delivery percentage is good, and this is a company which provides equipments, this manufactures heavy equipments, right? So in case power sector is going to grow, in case infrastructure is going to grow, so this particular company, which is Tree Turbine, will also give you a great breakout. Our buying can initiate somewhere here only 5670 के आसपास we can initiate our buy. Our stop loss is going to be very, very small, about at 500, and our target could be, first target could be 650, 670, 700, 750. So Triveni Turbine is what I'm really finding at this point of time pretty interesting. As I told you, JSW Energy is really looking powerful to me right now. This is a stock which is getting ready to break its lifetime high. So this particular candle which you see is the election day candle, and last 5 days it is kind of trying to demolish these sellers. And have a look at the company. It's been just in the uptrend. Just have a look at it. The company is in uptrend. If you want to understand what really company does, JSW Energy is basically into power generation and distribution in Karnataka and Maharashtra. So JSW Energy is really looking powerful at this point of time. So that is what my second stock is, Tree Turbine and JSW Energy. उसके बाद जो मुझे एक stock अच्छा लग रहा है, the name of that stock is Kalpataru, right? Kalpataru is also looking, and the thing is, what is making it very interesting, that all of them have basically corrected in this last election result. When the election results came, they all fell. और एक थोड़ा करेक्ट होने के बाद जो ये स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहे हैं ना, दैट टेल्स मी दैट दीज स्टॉक्स आर रेडी फॉर अ मूव. आई मीन बेसिकली आई एम अ प्राइस एक्शन रीडर. आई मेजरली वर्क ऑन द प्राइस एक्शन. सो मुझे लगता है कि इनमें एक अच्छे बिल्डअप्स हो रहे हैं एंड द स्टॉक्स आर गेटिंग रेडी फॉर अ फ्रेश ब्रेकआउट विद न्यू इंसेंटिव्स टूवर्ड्स पावर प्रोडक्शन. सो in Kalpataru, again, if you ask me what Kalpataru does, they have diversified interest. They are into power, transmission and distribution, oil, gas, pipeline, railways, etc. So basically infrastructure and power generation and power transmission. This is their specialty. And Kalpataru looks very, very good to me above 1300. In case it falls somewhere, around 1000, we can accumulate more. And upside target, if you ask me, will be 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700. They can be definitely this is what looks very promising. So that was my third stock. And the fourth stock that is on my radar is KPI Green, which is basically green energy stock, and you can keep it on radar. They are basically into solar and wind energy. They are basically into solar and wind energy. I have given a buy way back in this particular stock around 900. From there it went till about 2021. And अब क्या है कि ये ट्रेंड लाइन को मेंटेन कर रहा है, प्राइस में इंक्रीज हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, और ऊपर से जो एक नेगेटिव ट्रेंड लाइन बनी थी, देयर वाज अ नेगेटिव ट्रेंड लाइन व्हिच वाज फॉर्म्ड, उसको इसने ब्रेक किया है. So KPI Green is what going to be my fourth and very, very important stock. Our buy entry will initiate at about 1910. In case it falls due to some correction, we can definitely accumulate more quantity at 1660. It's a very, very strong stock. It's a powerful, the power build-ups are powerful and the breakout looks promising. In case we buy above 1910, our first target is going to be 2100. After 2100 is crossed, we can look for 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500. These all targets can be kept on radar. So that was my fourth stock. So let me just reiterate once again: Kalpataru, JSW, Tree Turbine and KPI Green. You want me one more stock to be given. So Tata Power is really looking very, very powerful at this point of time. We have to just wait, for it to give us a good breakout. Our very strong entry is going to be at a place where it crosses past barrier, which is 464. But in case it crosses 455, we can 456. We still can take an entry for first target of 464. If 464 is crossed, at least 10 to 20% move can be expected in Tata Power. I have already given a buy on Torrent Power because the build-ups are very, very strong. Build-ups are really, really strong. So Torrent Power can also be kept on radar. My buy was somewhere around 1533. From there it has moved. I feel now above 1632 there will be a good breakout for a target of 1700, 1750, 1800, 1850 and 1900. So that was Torrent Power. Another stock that looks very promising to me is NTPC. NTPC also you can keep it on your radar because that's also from the similar space, basically power transmission. So NTPC also can be looked into. They are into power generation, so it can be looked for a buy above 375. And our stop loss could be about 365 and our targets could be about 380, 385, 390, 395, 400 आने वाले समय में. और बहुत सारे ऐसे REC, PFC, Power Grid, they are all looking very promising. So without hesitation, we can enter any of the stock, any of these. And like I always talk about money management, risk management, trade management. आपके स्टॉप लॉसेस छोटे होने चाहिए एंड टारगेट शुड बी बिगर. सो आपको अपनी ट्रेड, यू हैव टू प्लान योर ट्रेड. Definitely very positively. Power, infrastructure, construction. Like you can look into Ahluwalia Construction, you can look into L&T. These are all ready. Patel Engineering, really looking good because they are into construction of dams, bridges, tunnels, roads, etc. Lloyd Engineering is a penny stock. Let me just show you. Lloyd Engineering is a penny stock. Like I have given a buy at about 50 something. Lloyd Engineering I have given a buy at about somewhere around here at this place 58. It made a have 673. Again this stock looks very, very promising to me. We can definitely take an entry at about, according to me, there will be a very, very good opportunity for us to buy Lloyd Engineering above 670. If it goes below till about 59, we can accumulate more and our targets could be 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 आने वाले समय में. So आप Lloyd को भी अपने radar. In fact मेरा पूरा spectrum जो like I'm length, breadth and width of these power sector, construction sector, heavy equipment manufacturing sectors, these are all looking very, very promising to me. So what I only want to say is that select the best companies, select the companies which have good fundamentals, select the companies which have a robust order book, and select the companies which have been really delivering diligently, like which have very tight management and which are really focusing on the quality of work that they're doing. If you ask me the top pick out of all these, so I would go for Kalpataru, I would go with JSW, and I would go with Torrent Power and Tata Power. These are going to be and KPI Green. These are going to be my 5 topmost picks, right? And the only thing that you need to check is their fundamentals. Like you have to be convinced of the fundamental. If you find a single red flag, and you can check fundamentals wherever you want, NSE, Money Control, Screener.in, Trendline, wherever you want to see, you can watch the fundamental. And I've given you a list, like if you want to read me on the list, Kalpataru, JSW, Ahluwalia Contracts, Construction, then KPI Green, Tree Turbine, Patel Engineering, Lloyd Engineering. Then I have given you, you could also keep in radar NBCC, you can keep on radar IRFC, even IRFC is looking very, very promising. Then you have a lot of them are there. India Shelter is there. Then you have all these PFC, REC, Power Grid. Keep them on radar, and whenever you see a past barrier being broken, they are all fundamentally strong companies. keep diversifying your money, some into power, some into infrastructure, some into equipment providers. So if the power sector companies are going to grow, or infrastructure companies are going to grow, so their machinery consumption will also go up, and the companies like tree turbine companies, like which manufacture heavy equipment, they will also benefit. So tree turbine hai, Patel Engineering hai, keep them on radar, and they will really be able to give you good returns aane wale samay mein. I am pretty much optimistic, and I know, because I think the current government has got being able to form the government with great difficulty, so they will give their 100% to ensure that they accomplish a lot more in these 5 years. I believe they've concentrated their sincerity, their honesty in this 5 years going to be at max, and let's reap the benefit by investing in the best sectors that those are power, finance, power, infra, and manufacturing, heavy manufacturing, equipment manufacturing companies. So I've given you the list. Stay invested for long term to get major benefits, but manage your money. Extremely important to manage your money. Positional sizing. Keep investing, maybe form a SIP, right? Every month you can put some amount of money, but stay invested at least for 5 years and then see how your profit grows. But I'm really positive and optimistic on these sectors. So all the best, viewers. You have been so patient with me. It was a long video, and I tried to do a lot of research and get the best information for you, and hope you like the video. If you like, give a thumbs up and stay tuned, and thanks a lot for listening to me.